I am Dr. Siti Rosindaya Aziz. Will share with you about the third measure in descriptive statistics, that is measures of position. Measures of position is used to identify the position or ranking of a data in each dataset. That's why in order to get a measure of position, the data must be in increasing order. Okay. Basically, there are three measures of position that are percentile, decile, and quartiles. Percentile split data into 100 equal parts denoted by PI. Decile split data into 10 equal parts which is denoted by DI, while quartiles denoted by split data into 4 equal parts denoted by QI. The relationship of median, percentile, quartile, and decile, as well as IQR, is shown in this number line scale. Note that to get median of a data set, the data must be in order. However, median is in measures of central tendency, not in measures of position. Okay, the measures of position is percentile, quartile, and decile. The formula for measures of position is represented by XC. Okay, and the condition that related to C is given here. Okay, if C is not a whole number, round it up to the next whole number. And if C is a whole number, then use this formula. Okay, let's look at exercise 1.3.3. We go to exercise number 1A. The question asks us to get the value or data that corresponds to fourth decile. Fourth decile, so this is decile 4. Okay, D is measures of position, so we need to order the data first. Okay, we order the data in increasing order. Okay, 7, 9. And we can see that the number of data here is equals to 9. So, by applying the formula for decile as given here, okay, so D is equals to X is referred to data. Okay, 4 times N is 9, that divided by D is the size, so divided by 4, and this is equals to X 3.6, and we can see that the condition of C here is in a whole is not in a whole number, so that's why we need to round it up to the next whole number. The next whole number, that is X4. And the fourth data in this increasing order data, that is 4. So the answer here, this is equals to 4. Okay. So now we look at the second question, question 2. Okay, the question is question A is P20. Okay, percentile. So since this is under measures of position, so we need to order the data first. Okay, in increasing order, 3, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 22, and the number of data in this data set, that is 10. Okay, then we look back at the formula P20. P20, that is X. Okay, the subscript here is 20 because I is equal to 20. 20 times number of data, that is 10. Okay, divided by 100 because of percentile. So you can see that this is equals to X 2. Okay, you can see the X2. So since 2 here is a whole number, so we need to use this formula. Okay, so x2, this is equals to x2 plus x3 divided by 2. x2 in this increasing order data, that is 7. Okay, so this is equals to 7 plus, okay, x3 is 9 divided by 2. So that's why the answer here, that is equals to 8. Okay. Okay, and then please try yourself for question B, for each question. Okay, so now we look at the importance of measures of position. Basically, there are two importance, two needs why we need to look at the measures of position. The first one is to indicate the position of data in each data set. Okay, this one. While the second one, that is the measures of position, specifically quartiles, can be used as a rough measure of variability. Quartiles is related to IQR, interquartile range, which will be discussed in detail in section 1.4.